Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dash line shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I insert dash line shape in this document. At first you have to go insert menu, then you can see here a drawing option, then click plus new option. Now you can see here a drawing interface. Now I insert a dash line, select this select line drop down menu. Now you can see here a line shape, just draw your line. Now I change the line shape color, go to color option and choose your color. Now I make 16 pixel on this line shape. Now I add dash line, click this line dash option. Now you can see here a dash line option. Now just press save and close. Now you can see I insert dash line shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.